Welcome to the Bre'Aunna show. Grab a snack and get comfortable. All about business, mental health, hair, remote. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Hey, I said welcome to the Bre'Aunna show. What's going on, y'all? It's Bre'Aunna, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So if you read the title today, you already know that I will be reviewing a brand new product that I'm super excited about. So I want to go ahead, and before I get into the video, I want to give a shout out to ZINFF, which is the business that I am collabing with today. Thank you guys so much for sending me these shades and allowing me to review your products and really just share this experience with my viewers. So without doing too much talking, we're gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, y'all, so like I mentioned previously, today I will be reviewing some sunshades that were sent to me. The company's named ZINFF. ZINFF, they sell a variety of not only sunshades but eyeglasses wear. I'm super excited that me of many people were lucky enough to, again, like I mentioned before, collab with them, and this is my very first collab with any company type of review video, so I'm super excited. So if I kind of start repeating myself, it's because I'm excited. Okay, but anyway, let me not get off track with this. Let's bring it back. Sunglasses that I will be unboxing today are called the Benzo-Geometric brown sunglasses, and before you say anything, I already know what you're thinking. Bre'Aunna, it's fall time. I'm not gonna buy sunglasses. Woody woo woo. Listen, it's never too early to be prepared or get ready for summer 2021. Okay, baby? So definitely go check out their website at www.zinff.com, okay? And I will have the link to the website below along with the glasses that I will be reviewing today. All right, y'all, so this is what the box looks like in itself, and I do want to put out there that the box came clear. This is actually because I had dropped something on the box. Yeah, but let me get my scissors because I have like no nails. Okay, so I went ahead and sliced it through with my little knife, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it this way. And I have a little card. It says ZINFF, their logo, and your eyewear we prepare. Whatever is on the back of your card will cater to the type of sunglasses or eyewear glasses that you purchase yourself. And I also did want to mention that because they sent me a pair of glasses, that if you guys are really interested in ordering a pair of these glasses, I will leave a link below that will bring you up to the page of where you can purchase them at. You can also look through the website if there is anything else that you like. You can get a 50% off discount with my code BRE. That's going to be BRE, and all of that information that I just stated will also be down below. So make sure you read the description, okay? Oh, if you want 50% off on a pair of sunglasses, sunshades, eyewear glasses, anything like that, make sure you go and check it out. Use my code BRE. So now that I've opened the package, this is what it looks like. So this is my sunglasses case. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out like that. So now the box is completely empty. It has their logo. It says ZINFF right here. And let's go ahead and open it up. Very, very pretty. This is basically how it came. And then there's that. So this is the eyeglass cleaner, and then the actual glasses themselves are wrapped around it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out like that. And I like how it's very secure. It wasn't just thrown in the box, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and set those in the box for now. I like how it is protected by this kind of paper wrap thing, so I'm not just like grabbing onto it. And this is what the glasses look like. I honestly love the color. What really caught my attention was the style. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture on this side of the screen of what these pair of glasses look like on the website. So make sure to go, again, check out ZINFF's website. That's hard to say with the S at the end, ZINFF's website. And I do have a lisp, so it's even harder for me to say, but it's all good. Okay, for those of you that are wondering, I actually do wear glasses myself. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on for you. The reason why I don't like wearing my glasses when I'm filming is because it has that glare of the ring light. You can just see it right there, and I feel like it kind of takes away the tension from like me or what I'm talking about or what I'm doing, and it really just focuses it on the upper bits of my face and my eyes, and I don't like that. It just looks weird to me, and it's not a good shot or frame or whatever, so I just don't do it. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and try these on. I'm actually gonna back the camera up a little bit because my outfit today is shebangin'. Okay, it's shebangin'. So I'm gonna back up camera up a little bit and show y'all what your girl's working with, and I'm gonna try on the glasses, and that's gonna be that. All right, y'all. So like I mentioned before, my outfit and everything is really just shebangin' today. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the glasses. I'm gonna turn around because I want to surprise y'all and I want to surprise myself. Okay. Ooh. I'm not even ready. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Ooh, who is she? Yes. Yes. See, there's that glare I'm talking about. If I were to wear these like a whole video, it just wouldn't work for me. Look, there's the double circle. Anyway, they're cute though. Like, just, they're cute. Like, you could wear these for style. So go to the website once again at ZINFF.com and check out this amazing company. I'm excited. I'm happy with my purchase, and again, everything is freaking amazing. No complaints. Packaging was great. Fast shipping. I think these came probably like 3 days after I ordered them. So super quick. Even with COVID going on, it was boom. My order was here like that. Had no issues, no problems at all. Their customer service is amazing. I want to go ahead and give a shout out to Amber. She is the associate that I have been with in contact through ZINFF for a couple of weeks now, and I'm just so grateful that they gave me this opportunity. Make sure you guys go and check out their website, and if you end up purchasing a pair of eyeglasses wear or sunshades, make sure to use my promotional code BRE. That is BRE, 1E, 1R, and 1B. Thank you guys again so much for watching my review / unboxing of this product, and I hope to see you guys in my next. Again, thank you so much for my ZINFF family and trusting me to review your product. Okay, I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.